gracefulness and her compelling aura, she's one of the finest actors in Bollywood today. And she's only 23. She has it all: vitality, charm, and a beauty that's real. So no wonder, Anushka Sharma, that you are India's most desirable.
Thank you. Thank you.
Did you hear the response?
It was splendid. Thank you. I paid them all.
That's because you're looking absolutely stunning.
Thank you. I just had to, like, you know, at least be at the same level as you.
That's awfully sweet of you. Thank you so much. I just need to ask you, you look so normal, sensible, clear-cut, uncomplicated, down to earth. What you're doing in films?
Do I?
Yeah, no pretensions, no affectations.
Because I find it easier to be that way, you know. So I'm myself. If that is what it comes across like, then I'm really happy.
Most people who are stars today have yearned, have struggled, have been in desperation, have wept, have cried to get stardom. I mean, rarely is it handed on a silver platter. Look, I'm Aditya Chopra. Come and star in my film opposite Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, it's a dream. It doesn't happen.
That's true. I feel very fortunate. But I've had my own share of struggle. But
My
I
dear,
also,
you had a red carpet.
Exactly. And I'm not saying that FC, and also struggle is a very subjective term. What, you know, it's about your threshold, your endurance. How much can you take?
Yes.
And I have had my share of breakdowns and all that.
You feel that,
yes,
really?
Yes, because I was young and I was ambitious and
Yes.
I was bound to feel those
Yes.
things. So yes, I think it was just a part of my growing also.
Are you a reluctant actor or an accidental actor?
Absolutely by accident. I was not reluctant to be an actor. I was reluctant to be in the industry.
Why?
You know, when you are from a background which is completely different from the film industry, you hear about a lot of things in the media, in the press, about casting couch and all these
that
other
usual
things.
stuff.
And I was petrified, and I did not want to experience something like that. But then one day I remember my manager told me, she said, you know, Anushka, please stop closing doors in your life. You don't know what's going to happen. Nothing can go wrong in your life if you don't let it happen. It will not go wrong.
Yeah, it's up to you.
So I auditioned for this film, for Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. Honestly, I did not even know that Aditya Chopra is Aditya Chopra, who's made DDLJ. It's later on, after I auditioned, that my brother told me, do you know he's directed Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge? And I was like, oh my God, that's the guy.
It's good you didn't know.
That's what he said. That's what Adi said. The reason he chose me out of all the other girls, he said, is because I did not want it so badly, that I wasn't desperate for it.
What makes you confident?
I don't think I'm confident.
What would unnerve you?
Lots of things, like, I mean, there are certain things in the industry that I'm still not used to.
Like?
Like, I'm not really comfortable in award functions. I'm not really comfortable in chat shows.
Really?
Honestly, I don't know how to react to a crowd. If they scream my name or if they shout my name. I don't know. Even going out to a restaurant after people started, and how should I react if people recognize me? If they
Made
want
you
to?
self-conscious?
Very conscious. I was so conscious. I wouldn't get out of my house.
Yes.
For 3 months, I wouldn't get out of my house because I just did not know how to react. Because I used to feel they want my autograph. I mean, did they really want my autograph? Like, I swear I used to feel like that, and I just couldn't deal with it for a while. Then I relaxed a little bit.
Good.
And I was fine.
Okay, tell me today, who would you say today, in this day and age, who has redefined their status to become a symbol of desirability?
For me, it would be Rani Mukherjee. She handles herself really well, and today she's doing the kind of cinema she's doing, and she's getting respect for it. So I would say Rani Mukherjee.
Anushka, how many times have you been asked if you're dating Ranveer?
A zillion times.
And what has been your answer?
That I'm not.
Now, my question to you is different.
Okay.
Why are you not dating Ranveer?
If you know Ranveer and me really well, if people get to know us really well, they'll realize that we're very different people, the two of us.
So?
We have a very volatile relationship.
So?
Yeah, we can kill each other. It's good to not
No,
be
you
around
can't. You can't kill each other.
I'm serious. I can take his head off, he can take mine off. Like, we quite like that. Because the thing is, I think if we ever had to be in a relationship, we would want two different things from a relationship. We see life in a very different way. he's a very practical person. He's very practical. I'm completely impractical. I like him. He's attractive and everything. But for me, a relationship it can't be very frivolous. So for me, if I have to be with another man, he needs to calm me down. Otherwise, I cannot be, it would not be a good relationship. Oh God, I'm never gonna have a boyfriend. I just said that. I'm serious.
No, but even volatile, having a volatile relationship, it's a form of passion as well.
Of course, we're two very passionate people.
Yeah, opposites attract as well.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna work
Opposites do.
out.
On the contrary, they complement each other. You are
Yeah.
calm and patient, he is volatile and in a hurry.
No, I think Ranveer is not ready to be in a relationship. I'm definitely not ready to be in a
Really?
relationship right now. Yes, because, you know,
Beginning of your career.
that absolutely. Other than that, also, I feel I don't know what I want out of a relationship right now.
Aren't you a romantic?
No.
Anushka,
What is a romantic? What do you like if you're romantic? For me, very small things matter. Like, for me, if a guy is caring towards me and he does it in a way that comes out naturally for him, for me, that's being romantic. Like, he could, for example, if I'm sick, I'm sorry I'm sounding so lame, but if he just passes me like a medicine or just says, you know, you should have this without making a big deal of it, for me, that's more than enough.
But I'm sure people like Ranveer and lots of guys would be ready to do that.
Yeah, I don't want them to because they're all busy. You know, see, the thing is, like, all of us are all very, like, see, we actors right now, we are all so single-mindedly going towards a certain
Right.
goal. It's a very competitive industry. There's no time to really stop over and look at another person and say, are you doing all right?
You feel that?
Yeah.
But that's very lonely then.
Yeah, it is. But it's okay. Right now, I don't need that also. But yes, I do think that being in a relationship with an actor right now is something I think will be a little difficult for me.
I've understood. Now I've come to the bottom line. Being in a relationship with an actor is not easy.
Yes.
Have you not got attracted to any of them?
I was attracted to Ranveer.
Surely.
Yeah.
Then?
But that's it. I was attracted, and that's normal. I'm a normal girl. I get attracted to men.
And you did nothing, no follow-up?
No. But the attraction happened after we were such good friends. So it was just like but I see the thing is, there's always this, this monitor inside me at all times who's always telling me that don't go into this. I'm not going to go
Don't
into it.
go into
And I've told
warning.
her, it was just attraction that I thought this guy is a nice guy.
Definitely.
That's
He's
it.
very desirable, very good looking, full of vitality and verve. I mean, he's very attractive.
And I respect all those things about him. But it ends there. Believe me. It ends
All right,
there.
suppose he dates somebody else from tomorrow and it's all over the news.
Of course he would. I remember there was this thing that happened recently on a show, on another chat show, where an actress said that she finds him attractive and she'd like to date him. And I found it so strange that I had to be listening. And I was like, why am I part of this? You find him attraction, you want to date him, should be about the two of you. Why am I included in this? So I find that strange.
Why were you included? You weren't included.
Of course I was. In the chat show I was included. What do you have to say about that? I said, but why should I say anything? She finds him
You
attractive.
wouldn't mind that?
Why would I mind it? Why would I mind it?
One can be even possessive of one's friends. You don't have to have a relationship.
Yeah, I'm not a very possessive person. I'm a very secure person. But if I'm in love with the guy, I think there will be no room for insecurities. If you're in a right relationship, you will not be insecure.
Okay. You've seen a lot of real-life heroes in your life in the army before.
Yes.
And there are a lot of Bollywood heroes in your current life.
Yeah.
Who have you met who has taken your breath away? Who is your real hero?
My father. I love my father. So I'm looking for my dad in every
In
man.
every guy. That's the trouble. You know, it's
It's
very
a
hard
huge
to find.
problem.
I know, very hard to find.
They don't make they don't make those kind of guys anymore.
Yeah, but I think you will find one.
I hope so.
I
I'm
think
hopeful.
very- I
I think
think-
I will too.
In person, Anushka is exactly as I'd hoped she'd be. Totally engaging and without artifice. But there are revelations about her that we're going to discover, so come back. Okay, when did you last go on a date?
Like, go out? What's a date? I've not gone on what is a date? Like, what's that? Like, I mean, as in what defines, like, what do you mean? As in, what?
Renault Fluence presents Cine Selects India's Most Desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. Renault Fluence presents Simi Selects India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer.
So onward in my journey to discover Anushka, let's get a picture of her as the girl she was before she became a star, a daughter and a sister. So Anushka, army brat, right?
Yeah.
Like me too, now. We're both from
You know
the
what
army.
we call, right? Sodas.
What does that mean?
Boys used to call it soda. It means Serving Officers Daughters Association.
I never knew that. Different sort of a life, isn't it?
Yes, very different, very protected. And I think you get so close and bonded with the other army people. Like even today, you know, if I could be stranded in any part of this country, any part, any small city, small town, district, any place, I just have to find the closest army cantonment and I will be at home.
I see an army uniform and I
I
feel safe.
feel so happy.
Yeah. I want to introduce Anushka's father, Colonel Ajay Sharma. Anushka's mother, Ashima Sharma. Anushka's brother, Karnesh Sharma, in the Merchant Navy. Why do I get the feeling that you bullied your brother?
I bullied my brother.
Yes.
He used to give me slam dunks. He used to lift me up and like push me down and give these WWF like, what do you call those commentaries? Because you had to fight for the bathroom. What are you saying? He said that. Did he say that? He used to bully me.
No, you gave him a hard time, he says.
Well, not so much now, but if, you know, growing up, we used to fight all the time and to the extent of throwing shoes and slippers at each other. Yes, it was quite bad and scratching and all those sort of things, and I ended up getting the brunt of everything.
He used to beat up boys. If he got to know that, I swear, if he got to know that a guy has a crush on me, my brother used to beat them up. My best friend, who's in the army right now, I asked him, I said, like, what was it? Was it not desirable? Like, why would no guy ever, my friends would get all these, you know, chocolates and roses, and I got nothing. And I was like, why? And he said, you should ask your brother. My brother used to beat up boys.
And you still live with him?
My brother's not my brother, he's my third parent.
Were the Sharmas a family of film buffs?
Not at all.
Movies,
My father can't
songs?
sit through films.
You can't.
I was very surprised when he sat through my first film. I was only checking to see if he's still there.
No, not at all, not at all. Even my friend used to say, यार क्या तेरी लड़की हीरोइन कैसे बन सकती है? तू तो पिक्चर भी नहीं देखती. Really, I never used to be like filmy buff, you can say.
Can I tell you something about my mom?
Please.
There was this one time, I was driving back from Yash Raj Studios and I got the news Adi told me, and I was driving back and I couldn't drive anymore because I was crying. I was so happy I was crying. So I stopped the car and I pulled over and I called my mother and I told her that I got this film. And you know what my mom told me? There's this turtle that used to be there in my living room. I think it's some feng shui thing. You just open the turtle and you put like a wish inside that turtle and you shut it. And when your wish comes true, you take it out. So she never told me about this. But when she came down, after she heard that I've got the film, she opened that and she showed it to me and she'd written it there. I hope my daughter stars in a Yash Raj film. I swear. It's unbelievable. So I think somewhere she always wanted me to be an actress.
What are you saying?
She'd said that she'd written this long ago. Like one thing for my brother, one thing for me.
Has the brother's thing come true as well? Can I write something in that turtle?
You have to make my mom write it.
Okay, I'll
She's some
pitch.
direct contact with God.
To be honest, we didn't believe it. I said, this is something, you know, out of this world. And I personally got a little scared also. I said, what is so good we people have done that the God, I would say, was so kind to us.
Actually, I wasn't at home when this news broke out. I was on the ship, and remember I had to throw about 20-25 parties to all the crew. They were more excited than I was.
Do you know, when I auditioned for this film, I was reading this book called The Secret.
Oh, The Secret.
And it was just, it said something like, if you keep thinking about it, it's going to happen.
Positive thinking, yeah.
Yeah. When a film starts, the logo of a film
Yeah.
comes, Yash
Yash
Raj.
Raj.
I was watching that logo the whole time. I used to keep watching that again and again. So when the film started and that played first, I was like, wow, this is actually happening. Shah Rukh Khan and then introducing Anushka Sharma. I was like, oh God.
Actually, in Hindi, if I say, rongte khade ho jana, you know, when I saw her on the screen, I felt, how the God has been so kind that my daughter is there on the screen with SRK. I mean, it was unbelievable, unbelievable.
I was very thrilled. I was tears on my eyes when I see first this thing promo of Rabne. I hugged her only. We were together. I hugged her. I said, "Yeah, this is too good, too good."
My dad actually cried. I remember at one point I could hear my dad go, and he's an army man. I've never seen my dad cry. So I was like, what's going on? And I turned and I looked at my dad and he was weeping.
But tell me something, how does your family relate and how did they react to you being in the gossip columns and things like that? Do you explain things to them or what happens?
I think the first time it happened, my parents were very upset.
They were very upset.
Yeah. Now they are just so cool about it.
I asked them how they felt about it.
Anushka and Ranveer, they're almost same age. And they interact with each other, they move around, they go. And if at all there is ever anything, I am 101% sure Anushka will come and tell us. As long as she doesn't tell me, I don't believe it.
We hang out with Ranveer as much as she does, at times more than she does. So just because she's a celebrity and you know, we understand that such things would be written about. So it doesn't bother us really.
Anushka, I would have imagined you being a model and in college, you must have been the most popular sought-after girl.
Like I said, I never thought I was popular with boys because of my brother in school.
When she was in school, college, she used to say, Papa, why you know, I don't have some friend whom, you know, with whom I can say that he is my boyfriend. I said, you change yourself. Change, I mean, make yourself more attractive. Then only it can happen. So I'm waiting for the day to happen. When it happens, I'll be glad. And of course, she will be glad too.
See, he's right.
Okay, when did you last go on a date?
Like go out, what's a date? I've not gone on a, what is a date? Like, what's that? Like, I mean, as in what defines, like, what do you mean? As in what? Like,
Who will tell her? One of you girls, please tell her what is
of course
a date?
I know what a date is. What I'm trying to say is that, like a boy, girl, like you're going with some interest in each other?
For sure.
Like that? Oh, I haven't for a very long time.
Long back.
Long back.
You're only 23. How long back could it be?
Yeah, but I've not gone out with a guy like that. I've not. I mean, I think I've been in love like maybe once.
You have been in love?
Of course I've been in love.
Was it for a long period of time or was it very short?
It was for a while.
If it endured, then it must have been real feelings.
Yeah, I think I did. I think I was in love, yeah.
And did it lead to any heartbreak or just drifted away?
Yeah, I mean, of course, you always, if a relationship ends, you obviously feel hurt, and that's a phase. So I also went through that. Sure, I mean, he did, but
How old were you?
it was recently.
It was recently.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I understand.
It's not Ranveer Singh.
No, I know it's not Ranveer. I can tell it's not Ranveer. Obviously, it's somebody outside, but is marriage important to you?
Very important. I want to be married. I want to have kids. And when I'm married, I probably do not want to be working.
I don't think so she will marry a boy from a Bollywood. That I'm 100% sure. Because I have seen her and I know she's not that much interested in Bollywood type of a husband. I think she will go for arranged marriage only. What she always used to tell me, Mama, you have to find a boy for myself. I said, "Theek hai."
Actually, this is going to be my problem only, or rather my and my wife, because she's always been insisting, and now also she insists that, Papa, I want to get into an arranged marriage, so start looking for me when I say go. So I'm waiting for that go.
Is this
Right now, don't go, huh?
But is this true?
Yeah,
You would like an arranged marriage?
yeah. I
Even-
would prefer.
Even now, today, at the
I mean-
person you are?
The reason, I think it's because I don't think my judgment of a guy is very right now. at a point, if I feel like I want to settle down and I haven't found love, I'll be completely okay with my parents finding me a guy. And I think they'll do a damn good job, better than me for sure.
Well, anyway, I thought it was fascinating for me to meet a modern-day Bollywood star who has everything going for her, could be traditional enough to even think of an arranged marriage. And I applaud you for that.
कुत्ते उल्लू के पट्टे तू कहाँ से आया मेरी जिंदगी में?
Renault Fluence presents Cine Selects India's Most Desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. Renault Fluence presents Cine Selects India's Most Desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer.
Welcome back. I'm really glad that you're back because now it's time for Personality Cafe, and I am excited about being here with Anushka Sharma. So if you're ready, shall we go into the Personality Cafe?
Yes, please.
Now we're going to play a game which we call Truth Bucket. There's a bowl and the audience have put their names into it, into a piece of paper. You'll pull out the paper, call out their name, and they will ask you a question.
Okay.
Okay, and if you want to avoid the question, or if you can't answer, or if you're not answering honestly, then you'll have to pay a penalty.
Okay.
And the penalty will be decided by moi, me.
All right.
So if you're ready, shall we go?
Yes, please.
Come along.
Jackie.
Hello, Simi ma'am. Hi, Anushka.
Hi.
Firstly, both of you look very gorgeous here, and I really
what a
wanted
charmer.
you. Sorry.
What a charmer.
Okay. Well, my question to you is Akshay or Shah Rukh, who, according to you, has more sex appeal and why?
Gosh.
I think they're two very different looking men, aren't they?
You need to choose one.
Shah Rukh.
Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
All right.
And
Thank
why?
you. Yeah, and why? And why?
See, he's my first hero. He'll always be Shah Rukh Khan for me.
All right. Thank you so much.
Vinayak.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, Anushka.
Hi.
You've worked with hell loads of people.
I worked with what?
Hell loads of people, co-actors and all.
Haan, acha.
So tell us all about one Vanity Van secret about any actor you've worked with before and which we don't know about.
Shah Rukh has a beautiful van. It's stunning. It's like a house. It's like a space machine. That's how amazing that thing is from inside.
Are you asking about the upholstery and the decor?
No, something extraordinary, out of the world kind of thing.
What do you want to know, Vinayak?
So what do they do in the Vanity Van?
Makeup karte hain hum.
Resting like some people like roam around in boxers.
What?
Some people do something else. So some secret about some actor. Come on. Male, female,
Ranveer
anything.
Singh skips in his van.
Skips in his van. Okay. That pretty much.
Akshay Kumar, I think, stays in his van for like 5 minutes in the morning. He enters and 5 minutes he's out. He doesn't even use makeup. I think he uses almond oil on his face. Little secrets for you. Yeah?
Thank you.
That was a challenge, man. That was a challenge.
I've never heard such a question.
was-
Congratulations. First time in my life. It was,
was
a really,
sweet, it was sweet.
a really good question.
Ashika.
Hello, Simi ma'am. Hello, Anushka. My question for you is, you look very gorgeous and your dressing style is amazing. Which, according to you, is the worst dressed actress in the whole industry?
What's the penalty?
Why don't you become Shruti Kakkar? And in the way Shruti Kakkar would, I want you to either abuse or pick up that guy who asked you about the van.
Pick him up?
Yeah.
Since when have girls started picking guys up?
I knew you'd say
I'm just
that.
going to abuse you, man. I'm sorry.
Well, then you come up here, please.
कुत्ते उल्लू के पट्टे तू कहाँ से आया मेरी जिंदगी में?
My pleasure.
Raj, how old are you?
I'm an SYJC. My height, it's a little.
Oh.
I'm a little short, but
Oh, you're
definitely
handsome.
cute.
You're very cute and handsome.
Raj reminds you of something, right?
Yes, a lot of things.
People call you beautiful, but I call you cute too.
Cute too.
Yeah.
Great. Super.
So my question is, if you could overhear someone describe you, what would you like to hear? As in, what would you like to hear him say?
यार अलग है यार.
Can you elaborate?
I mean, if that guy in that life of, my life, whose opinion on me matters to me, that I would want him to think that I'm different and I'm special.
Thank you.
Anmol.
Hi Anushka.
Hello.
My question to you is, what advice would you give a man, actually me, who would like to date you?
Just don't try too hard. Just be yourself. You know,
Does he have a chance?
totally. I have hots for you already.
Stand up and take a bow. How many times would you ever hear somebody say that, like Anushka? She said that. Thank you.
Sharad.
Hello, Anushka Sharma.
Hello,
I'm a
Sharad.
huge fan, and I followed most of your media interviews, so a verbal interaction won't do for me. So would you dance with me?
Yes. He knew the step. I'm impressed. Nidhi.
Hello, Sumi ma'am. Hi, Anushka. Hi. My question to you is Shahid Kapoor or Ranveer Singh, the more passionate kisser, and rate the winner on a scale of 1 to 10.
You know what? If you ever get to do a kiss on screen, if at all, it just happens. It's the most mechanical thing in the world. Like, there is no passion. It's the most mechanical thing because you're just seeing the edited version. There is a director behind saying, "Arey, go left, facing low, right low." So you actually feel like you're in a circus. And so I really couldn't observe the two men.
Okay, if not kisser, then as a co-star, who's better?
I really enjoyed working with Ranveer.
Thank you.
Why didn't you come here?
We're going to give you presents now, okay? Here's a personally autographed hamper, and I know there will be a boon to your clear and healthy skin. So enjoy it.
Thank you. Saloni?
Hi, Anushka.
Hi.
Question to you is, you've been a successful model before entering Bollywood. So can you name an actress who completely transforms herself post-makeup?
Like in what way? I mean, you apply makeup. See, the term makeup is...
She looks completely different after applying makeup and before...
What's the penalty?
Anushka has to sing.
Oh, God, you
a
cannot do this to
song.
me.
Done. That's the penalty. तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा में क्या
मुझ में रब दिखता है यारा तू क्या करे सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या Have I met or found my soulmate already?
Magic says no. The person who you're going to be with in the long term, not yet.
Okay, great.
Renault Fluence presents Simi Selects India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. Renault Fluence presents Simi Selects India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer.
I believe you are very interested in all this Chinese zodiac and crystal balls and stuff like that,
Yeah.
astrology.
I find that very intriguing, more than anything else.
Well, think of some questions that you'd like to know because we're bringing on the tarot. I'd like to introduce you
Hi.
to Manisha
Hi.
Kitwani.
Welcome.
She's our
Pleasure.
tarot reader, very good at her predictions and her assessments.
Great.
So are you ready to get your tarot cards read?
I am, but would you start it? So like, I can
Yes,
easily
Simiji
do
can
it?
definitely
Can she
support
like
you.
ask me? You can ask me.
Yes, she can ask
I will
questions
ask
for
for
you.
you, but first does she need
Yes.
to do anything?
Yes, first she needs to shuffle the cards.
Okay.
Can you please pull 7 cards with your left hand? The first card you've got is the card of the devil, which means you learn to do things different. The devil says you don't believe in obstacles and all. You like to overcome all obstacles
Doesn't
in
mean
your
I'm
life.
like a devil.
No, not at all. It means you like to overcome all obstacles in your life and you're a fighter. Nothing for you is impossible. And you've got the Page of Swords, which means new work opportunities coming your way. So you should be looking forward to that. A Knight of Pentacles indicates the person who you will be with. He'll be like a Knight of Pentacles, young, dashing, intelligent, well-spoken, well-educated, I should say. You're going to be with him maybe in about 2 years from now.
Oh,
Strength says you're basically a very strong person by nature, emotionally, and I'm not talking about physical strength.
I'm very
Emotionally. Yeah, physically also very strong. And the Lover says basically the relationship is going to have a lot of passion, chemistry. The Lovers, basically there's love.
Finally, see?
Yes. What are your questions?
Have I met or found my soulmate already?
Okay, do you want to pull from here 1 card with your left hand? Magic says no. The person who you're going to be with in the long term, not yet. So, yes. And you will know from your heart because you're very intuitive by nature as well.
I've not
So-
found him yet, right?
No. Super. You're happy about that?
Yes, very happy.
Can you tell us a little bit more about him?
Yes,
What's he going to
of
do?
course, of course. Why don't you pull 2
Yeah.
cards with your left hand? Prince of Pentacles.
Had to pull the prince.
And she's pulled again the card of oppression. This is the same card as the devil, which means he will not again be a person who doesn't do things that run of the mill. He will be a fighter. He'll be a lot like you in nature,
Nice.
which is why you'll get along with him because you both will share the same outlook towards life.
And what does that mean?
And this means he'll be a Prince of Pentacles, like I said, well educated, financially independent, strong, self-made man.
Great.
Your cards are super, so you have nothing to worry about.
Great, I'm happy.
But do you want to pull a spirit, angel message? It's
No,
just,
is this the one?
yeah. Any one.
Oh, should I pick, what is this?
That's your love card. We'll give you that as well. So,
Both? I'm going to pick up this one.
okay, sure. The love message, whenever you are in a relationship, cast away your concerns, come rest in my embrace, which means you need to connect with him and share what's in your heart, and all your concerns and worries will be wiped away.
It's a lovely card.
He'll clear them, right? Okay.
It's a lovely
That's
card.
a lovely card to get.
Yes, it's a beautiful card. And why don't you pull your angel card before we go? All is well. The message is everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to, with hidden blessings that you will soon understand.
Mr. Raju Rani said the same thing to us some time ago.
Really?
Of course, 3 Idiots, all is well.
All is well. Thank you so much.
That was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think
What
they
she's
were
telling.
lovely cards, and I think
Yeah.
it's touchwood with God's grace, lovely future.
Okay, great.
And I hope all the good things happen. Now listen, your parents were telling me that when you were in the army and when you were posted there, you used to do lots of little games and shows with kids.
Yes, we used to perform dances and I used to choreograph them.
Like
and,
what?
in the army mess, an army mess, the parties that happen there, it's all very proper. And there used to be me who used to just refuse if they didn't allow me to perform. To Kitabe bahut si padhi hongi tumne. And I had choreographed it myself and it was so silly.
Can't you do it now?
Yeah, I'll do it, but I'm going to pull out some people so that I don't
do
look
it.
that silly.
Let's do that.
I mean, honestly, the
Choreograph it.
choreography is so silly. Please come. I'm going to ask Mr. Vanity Van to do that. Do you want to come? Come. You also come and... So it's very simple. Anybody can do it. Anybody can dance. Whatever I'm doing, you have to do. Can we please have the music?
Very nice.
Renault Fluence presents Simi Selects India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. Renault Fluence presents Simi Selects India's most desirable, co-presented by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer.
Welcome back. I'm glad you're back. Aren't you glad they're back?
Yes.
Okay, because now is the time when we do our little bit for charity. So I'm going to ask you to please make a self-portrait of Anushka Sharma, and we're going to put it onto the web. It'll go for an auction, and the proceeds will go to charity. So will you come along with me?
Absolutely.
Lovely. Thank you. Very nice. Looks like a Cézanne or a Matisse.
Doesn't it?
So if you'd like to own this painting, please go onto our website, which is www.starworld.in/SSIMD, make a bid, and the proceeds will go to charity. So it's a win-win. You will get this amazing, amazing piece of modern art, and a lot of people will benefit. I want to ask you, wasn't she refreshing? Yes! Wasn't she enchanting? Yes! Have you ever met anyone like her before? No! Is she your object of desire? Yes! Okay then. You're a very special girl, and I just wish that you would never change. Always stay the person you are and continue to be India's most desirable.
Thank you.
With my love.
Thank you.